everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another Diwali video. So today I'm going to be making a Diwali transformation makeover sort of a video. I love making transformation videos, so be rest assured every opportunity I get, I'm going to seize and make a transformation video. So for the most part, you can go to salons, but personally I don't feel comfortable going to salons. So these are some of the steps that I'm going to be taking right before Diwali, like before all the festivities begin. We have been in quarantine for 8 months at this point, so why not make the most out of like a festival that's coming up and groom ourselves and just feel good. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with a few steps that I would ideally do before Diwali and all the festivals begin. So I would recommend starting off by shaving your body, getting rid of all your body hair. If you wax using wheat strips or whatever like waxing strips that you use, you can do that as well. Personally, I shaved a few days before simply because I had to like shoot, so I was going to be wearing dresses, which was the only reason why I decided to shave, and it felt so good. It really feels really nice and clean and smooth and soft. So I would recommend shaving. Even if you're going to be wearing covered clothes, it's just going to make you feel good, so definitely shave. So I still use the Gillette's Venus razor. It's one of the best razors that I've ever used. I'm going to make sure to link all the products, by the way, that I'm going to be mentioning in today's video in the description box below. And I never ever dry shave. I always wet my skin, and I also apply some sort of soap or body wash in order to just like really get a nice deep shave. Next, getting rid of your eyebrow hair. So I know I sound like a broken record at this point. I do shave my eyebrow hair using an eyebrow razor. This is how I do it. You guys have seen me doing this 100 times, but these are the basics. You have to do them. They seem very little, but they really add to the look. And as for my face razor, I don't remember the exact brand that I use, but it's for like 100 rupees and it's such a good razor, such good quality. A mistake that I have made a lot of times is that once the razor is blunt, I still keep on using it, and that's when you end up getting like razor bumps, and also you don't get a nice clean shave. So the minute you feel ki itna zyada clean nahi ho raha, it's probably time to toss out the blade because it's not as sharp as it should be. Now, as for my hair, I've been making this DIY hair oil wherein I take 2 tea bags of green tea and then I'll pour in some hot coconut oil. So I use the Merit VCO's coconut oil, and then I let this sit together for half an hour to an hour. Let the tea bag really marinate in that oil, and then I'll take the oil and start applying it on my scalp. Here, as you can see, I'm using the tea bag as like a cotton pad. It just makes the whole process of like applying oil easier. This has been really helping me with my dandruff. The climate has definitely gotten drier and my scalp too has gotten drier. I have a lot more dandruff than usual, so this is what I've been doing for my scalp. And as for the length of my hair, instead of applying oil on the length of my hair, I think it's a better idea to apply a hair mask, because I feel like the oil is meant for your scalp, but when it comes to the length of your hair, you need extra nourishment. So I just use a hair mask. If you're interested, I've been using my favorite Wow Wala hair mask. It's so nourishing. Since I've colored my hair has been even more drier. I colored my hair a few months ago and I can definitely tell that my hair is drier. So I really need to keep up with the nourishment and the masking. So this is what I use. I'll tie my hair in a bun and then let it sit for an hour or 2 hours even. And then I'll just follow it up with a regular hair wash and also condition it. So this is option number 1 for you, for your hair, like a hair spa at home. This is much easier and you can totally do this at home with the things that you already have at home. As for option number 2, this is my DIY hair mask that I make at home. So basically this is a paste of kadi patta and dahi. I run it in the mixer for a few seconds, and then you could use a strainer and get rid of the lumps. That's what I do. Otherwise, when you're washing your hair, it's going to be so difficult to get rid of the fiber of like the kadi patta. So I use this all over my scalp. I'm going to warn you, this is a messy process. Like even removing it is a little bit more difficult. If you're trying to grow your hair out, I would recommend doing this at least once a week. And also the yogurt in this pack is going to make your hair very soft and very shiny. Now moving on to the face. Of course, the most simplest thing to do is apply a face mask. Here I'm using the Dot & Key's anti-acne face mask, which is a really nice clay-based face mask. But if you want to take it a step further, you can use this Pond's facial kit. Now this one product has 6 different components to it. Now this is going to help you achieve a facial at home at a very low cost. So step 1 is cleanser. So I'm just using the cleanser, the Pond's cleanser, after which I go in with the scrub, exfoliate my skin really well. By the way, on the packaging also it explains really well like how you can follow each step. I also have a DIY facial, like a dedicated video. I'll make sure to link that video also in the description box below in case you want to hear it from me as to how you can perform a facial at home step by step in detail. Step 3 is a nourishing cream, and then I follow it up with the massaging cream, and then I really give myself a nice massage, stimulate blood flow. Next, I'm applying the face mask, which I'm going to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. And finally, I'm going to use the finishing cream, which just really helps you seal everything in. This kit is so useful, especially in the current times. You can achieve that glow at a very affordable price. I think the kit is for like 300 rupees, and you can at least get 3 facials out of this entire kit. So that's literally 100 rupees only per facial, which I think is awesome. And as for your manicure, of course, I'm gonna say stick to press-on nails. I get my nails from this Instagram store which is called Pastels Press-On Nails. They make amazing customizable nails. I've been wearing these like white nails for a month at this point, and they're still going pretty strong. So for my Diwali nails, I went with these pale pink nails, which do have a little bit of nail art on them. I actually picked these nails on purpose because when there are lots of like festivals and occasions, you tend to wear a lot of different colors. Obviously, you're not going to stick to your like basic comfortable colors. You're probably going to be wearing a bunch of different colors. So I don't like my nails to clash with my outfit, which is why I like to stick to neutrals like whites or nudes. White is very in my comfort zone, and I really like how white nails look on my hands. So I went with these white coffin shaped nails. And by the way, I use the Miss Claire's nail glue. Right now, I had run out of it, which is why I was using this backup nail glue that I had. Again, if you want like a full-on dedicated video as to how I do my nails at home, I'll make sure to leave a video link of that as well, because I've done a full video uske bare mein bhi. And this is what the nails look like. Pastels nails kill it every time. I think their quality is so good. These at least last me for like a month. Now, when I say that they last me for a month, what I mean by that is I can use them over and over again for a month. Like even if they fall out, I will still be able to stick them back on. Basically, once you're done with all of these steps, you can take it a step further with your makeup and your accessories and stuff like that. You're gonna have to wait for kind of like a part 2 of this video. I'm gonna be dropping it very soon, so stay tuned for that. But I think that's it for my Diwali transformation video. I know it was very straightforward, but I think I covered all the like bases. I didn't want to do too much because we are for the most part going to stay at home. At least I am going to be staying at home, and I'm not really going to be meeting anyone other than my parents. So I decided to keep this video very low-key, stick to the basics, but at the same time get it right. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to make sure to link all the products that I mentioned in the description box below. Don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram, follow Simbaa Lifestyle, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!